appropriate way cutting your lawn mower blades. The difference with this pad, use this grind, this, look at the difference on the blade, and I used the grinder on this other side of the blade, and look what a bad job came out to be. Uneven, wavy. This is how I used to cut the blades with this grinder here, which I don't think it's good for the blades, to be lawnmower blades to cut. The best way and the cleanest is this pad here, and look how it's so easy. And this is the steel inox, you can see here, and the numbers. I think I tried the Z80. The higher the number, the smoother it's gonna be. The lower, the thicker, the more metal you're gonna heat up. And there is a Z60 which eats up more metal. This one, it does eat up a lot of metal. I think the next pad I'm gonna get is higher than Z80, which is gonna be even smoother, and it takes less metal. Unless your blade is really beat up, then you can use 80 or less than that. But if your blade is not doesn't have much damage on it, you can use higher than 80. See, but this is the best. It makes the blade so smooth instead of the grinder. The grinder, you have no control of it. It eats up so much blade, it makes it wavy. It destroys the blade. Yep.